The Grizz.
Hola. Hello.
North Florida, that's my favorite band. We're at like the Goodwill outlet or something. I don't fucking know. What? Oh shit, we could get a clip here. Yeah.
This is all probably gonna get cut. Hi, future Jared. That's you. You're doing stuff. I don't know what you're doing, really. He has noticed, and he is talking. It is good. Birds off in the distance. Parkour truly is just wanting freedom and the ability to fly. You got it?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, I reset camera.
I'm trying to think of if I can just do something else. Also, we'd probably be recording with your phone.
Yeah.
Arc out or something.
Yeah.
Damn it, the last part right now.
Hey, that's always like takes a while, bro. Because this is like one of the few times where we didn't have a trick in the end in mind. Right. Like we're trying to build around the beginning.
Oh, 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 oh.
Welcome to Parkour, everybody. 60% of the time you're just making weird noises because you almost
died.
died.
Hand down, but like I didn't. I was already all the way there, and it was just like, why are you doing that?
Where? Where do you plan on putting the hand, sir? It looked like
I didn't center enough before I.
I'll say it looked like you were about to do a Dom Tomato like front flip off of it. You had the momentum, but it was like, yeah. Yeah, interesting start. That's definitely not recording. That is definitely a picture.
The 4 years or 3.5 I've done out here has got all y'all out. Hopefully me and y'all can put in a couple more years and then everyone's just coming out. We'll have to be bugging them to leave us alone.
Yeah. Maybe, one day, hopefully. Also, on that note, thank those that went over to my channel to watch that video. It was nice. Cool, thank you. But, I'm just a derpy dude doing derpy shit. I hope that people enjoy the fact that I'm just having a fun time. Alright, I'm gonna turn this video. Three, two, one. going, keep going. No, you're good. Whew. You just go. Fuck it. Fuck it. And then I start with the wrong foot again.
I'm gonna give it props to my hoe, cause she fly, but I can.